scientist here. You did.
No, we got the best scientist. He got the best.
Young Jezzo.
See how she does today at the dyno. Gonna be a good time. Gonna be a good day today. Good day. Just got to the dyno. Daytime now. It's about 7 o'clock. He's looking good in the daytime. Yes, sir. See how much power you can make today, baby girl. Yes. Yes, just watch me do my thing today, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna watch you do your thing today. You gonna do your thing. Just wanna shoot flames for you, daddy. Yeah, okay. Okay, just do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. Let's see what's up with the tuner right now. Look at this trophy. Needs a little work, but it could be clean. What's up, Javi?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Anything good?
Yeah, everything good.
I see why you're telling me. Catching me at the wrong time, bro. I haven't slept, bro.
Alright. The monster gonna wake you up.
Huh?
Driver, you got driven pulled up. Mikey. Then we got Big Pop Nate in the building.
You good? What's up?
Then we got Gecko.
What's up,
Gecko,
what's up?
what's good? What's good? What's good? Little B-series.
What you doing all that, nigga? What about the Raider too?
Dyno time, let's go. Just loaded up her with that X85, yeah boy. Big boy slicks on, drag radios. Come on Mikey, work harder bro.
Trying, bro.
Yes sir, we got some meat. Everybody hard at work getting it back together. We had to switch out the injectors.
Yeah, we switched out the top hat.
The top hats of the injectors. Making sure everything's down. Hooking up the
Should be negative.
the radiator. Getting everything right. Ready to make some power. Everybody hard at work.
Are we checking fuel?
Yeah, this shit.
Okay, you want to turn on?
Checking the fuel right now.
Switch it. Hit the
Yes sir.
top, left button on top. On the overtime. Yeah. And then turn it off and do it again.
Left fans come on like normal, or do they come
No,
on?
it comes with direct power right when I turn it off.
Shut it off, Kenny.
Shut it off, Kenny.
We just. It's off.
No, the turbo timer.
No, it's just the
Everybody that works on the car knows that, but hurry up!
That's wild. It's off. Hold on. It's off.
Yeah, it's off.
No. Alright, go ahead.
I've been telling him.
Go ahead.
I'm like, who runs turbo timers anymore?
It didn't work.
Fucking Marlon. Marlon has one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Turn it off, do it again.
Ready?
Yeah. He might knock it down to the dashboard.
It's on the back.
You didn't grab the whole box? Huh? You grabbed the whole box? Oh.
Hands on.
Yeah, it's pushing. It's good. Yeah. Cool. Good. Time it one more time. Hey, where you at? We gotta adjust this. 30. I have mine up to like 50 over here. Do it again one more time just so we see it.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, the all-wheel drive record. What's the goals for this all-wheel drive record? What's the goals for the all-wheel drive record? Record breaker?
That's it right there. One and only.
Yes, sir. Nice gospel performance. Another all-wheel drive car. All-wheel drive. Real clean, real clean. Yes, sir. You see that stage brake? It's the real deal. This is the mock-up for it. All-wheel drive mock-up. This is their mock-up Accord. Yeah. Real nice, real nice. Now let's get to the main power. The Beast makes on the test motor. We got the big boy coming in at 1,000 subscribers. Help us get to that journey. The Beast is gonna be making some power. Let's see what she puts down. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Programming. For all-wheel drive cars, you take out the drive shaft and you tune it in front-wheel drive, and then you put the drive shaft back in. So as you can see here, half the drive shaft is disconnected from the differential, but the front half is still there. Just a little trick to let y'all know. How much you think it's gonna make? How much you think it's gonna make on the stock?
600.
Huh?
600.
600? How much you think it's gonna make? How much you think it's gonna make?
My nigga.
8? How much you think it's gonna make? How much you think it's gonna make?
780.
780. Kenny, how much you think it's gonna make? How much you think it's gonna make? 8? Yes, sir. Javi, how much you think it's gonna make? How much you think it's gonna make?
How much you think it's gonna make?
700, 700.
700 it is then.
Yeah. How much you think it's gonna make? How much you think it's gonna make?
It's a stock sleep motor, right?
Yeah.
760.
760? Around there. 650? 650? Alright. 79 horsepower, 289 torque. I call her Chandelier. Strap him down, strap him down. The monster want to get off the dyno. Strap her down, strap her down. How much?
725.
725, let's go! Send that blood clot! 725, let's go!
Where's that, boy? Where's that?
725, let's go! Let's go, 725, 725, let's get it.
Yes, no.
Still spinning, bro.
Now y'all can talk that shit on the street. Let's go. I wasn't ready then. I'm ready now.
Look at that shit.
You got too close to SK.
Too close to SK, you get cut.
Right the chop. Huh? Right the chop.
No.
He ain't bring it.
Yeah, but you know how I am. I'll change the head gasket real quick.
You know, listen.
Shave it. Shave the head.
Yeah? And then reach out the track. See, if dry shaft's on, you think it feels any different?
And you feel a bit vibration, but I think it's from the front tires.
This tire right here.
Yeah, right?
But Micah said he feels it when he turns. No, you see it. Like when you look at the lines, it's like this. I don't think it was the rim. I think it was the tire.
I'm saying, when I drive the car and thing, and I'm on I-95 turn 80, 78, it's just a balance and everything.
Oh no, that's your brother's car. I was like, shit, somebody had it in the middle just a little while ago and turned down.
Hey, and the alignment's off.
Yeah, the line.
Off the numbers on the fucking line roller.
I was gonna drive it to go get a line.
This is still facing that way.
Don't worry, me and my Cuban, we got the alignment down packed.
Me and my kid.
Y'all outside with a fucking screen with 2 shoelaces. You got it.
Everyone here is from my island. I don't want to hear that
We from the fucked up island. We from the good one. See?
shit. Dude, we got 57 Chevys, dog. We
That's
come
all
out
y'all
with
got
boat
over there.
with boat
57
motors
Chevys, nigga.
and Harleys. Shit.
Thank you for all your help, Rudy. Shout out Dry Creations on Instagram. Thank you for all the help. Howie, Micah,
Yes, sir.
well appreciated.
Yes, sir. Congrats,
Thank you
man.
for all the help. Javi, the GOAT. Everybody go follow him on Instagram. Meager Monster Tune. Thank you for all your help.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Mad Scientist, thank you for all your help.
I think my keys are inside
Thank
the
you for all
car.
your help. Mikey. Thank you for the help, bro. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We made some power today. Yeah. Woo woo! Hey, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! All these cars. We had a fun day at the dyno. Everyone came out. The car made some power. Like I said, this is our test motor. The big boy's coming in soon. We had to take off the the back side of the drive shaft. The front side of the drive shaft is still on. Dog box tranny and the CRV all-wheel drive tranny still in. Made 725 today. We're gonna bring it on the streets, Mexico, test it, bring it to the track. We're gonna have fun with this motor until it blows up, and then we throw the big boy in there. Yeah. Thank you, like and subscribe, and more bangers coming soon. JDM Nation, I'm out.